Nakagraduate ka sana on time kung di ka lang nag-SK. People thought I could have done more. I should have been more. Ang hindi nila alam, bago pa man ako nag-SK, I already failed in my major subject. Thankfully, God used my potential. I was able to meet new people and felt really connected to them. Doon ko na-realize na I'm really meant for this. I am called to do this. Nung nakita namin yung impact ng mga nagagawa namin, lalo kaming naging eager to serve the youth. Kahit nakakapagod, kahit maraming dahilan para sumuko. Kapwa naming mga kabataan ang naging inspirasyon namin para magpatuloy at para lalong pag-igihan pa. Aside from that, may nahuhugot ako na pambayad ng tuition. Para na rin tuloy akong nag-part-time pero na-enjoy ko. While I was having a hard time in my studies, nahanap ko yung passion at purpose ko sa SK. Kaya para sa akin, SK Bigbiga is not just a council. They're my family, where I gained experiences na hindi ko makukuha sa apat na sulok ng classroom.